I could get used to late.
I decided ito muna. Good morning, everyone. So welcome back to my layover diaries, and we are currently here in Seychelles Island. Yay! It's one of my favorite destinations. It's already 9:30 a.m. and we just arrived kaninang 8 a.m. and I've already finished eating breakfast na din. And now I changed to my pajama. So I'm just gonna sleep for now until like after lunchtime because I don't plan on having adventure. Actually, this is just the unexpected flight na naman kasi we are on standby duty, which means it's either they will give you a flight or not. So basically, you're just waiting for a duty. So luckily, they gave me this Seychelles Island. I was like bidding for this. I was like trying to request for it. Pero hindi ko na naman siya makuha kasi ang daming nagbibid na tong flight na to. So, medyo mahirap siyang i-request. Before pala ako mag-sleep, of course, magbubura muna ako ng makeup ko. Baka kasi, isipin nyo, hindi ako naglilinis muna. So, I just changed lang para magawa ng intro. But I will freshen up and go to my bed. See you later. Bye. Hello guys. So it's already 2:55 in the afternoon. Kanina pa ako gising. Ang tagal ko lang talaga nag-ayos kasi parang tinamad pa akong bumangon. And I'm about to go na sa labas. Sa may poolside lang naman tayo guys. But I'm just contemplating which sunnies should I wear. It's both Gentle Monster. So I've decided ito na lang kasi parang mas more on summery side siya. And parang cover niya yung buong face ko or buong eyes ko. And that's it. So I'm just gonna stay in the poolside or magpunta ako dun sa may ice cream shop. Like parang sa likod lang naman ng hotel namin. Parang maganda din yung view doon. Like, puro yacht. So, this one, I'm just gonna bring me my bag and then my iPad. Mag-edit lang ako. I'm gonna bring you with me. I don't think we're gonna talk that much kasi for sure, nandun yung mga ibang crew na nakatambay din sa may poolside and nakakahiya. So, just come along with me and let's chill to this layover before our training. Sa may tabi ng mall. I chose here kasi sobrang daming tao dun sa may poolside and parang under renovation siya, so hindi siya nakakaganda. Ito yung favorite spot ko dito sa Seychelles and I just opted for a mint lemonade. Almost 5 p.m. na pala, hindi ko nabago yung oras. So, mali tayo doon. Now, it's almost 5 p.m. and we're just here chilling and I'm just gonna edit a video for my next vlog. It starts raining again, so I have to move. So let's go to the other side. Hello guys, so I'm currently here in the restaurant. So ito yung go-to place namin if like nandito kami sa Seychelles for dinner, lunch, ganyan. Sobrang quick lang yung gagawin ko dito kasi nakakahiya mag-vlog kasi ang daming tao. Sobrang full ng restaurant ngayon. I asked the other crew then, so I think they're not yet home or because they went for the tour, so I think they're not yet here. So I just ordered lang parang catch of the day and then yung chips nila. So yun yung nilook forward ko for this flight, for this layover, yung fish nila kasi sobrang fresh talaga. And they gave me a complimentary bread. And then, of course, our Coca-Cola Zero. So, that's it. I'm just waiting for my order. Thank you so much.
If only I had a time machine back then, I'd see us dancing in the kitchen light. No one thought we could ever make it.
How are you? Enjoying rapping since you're
Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young.
I'm done eating my dinner and nakipagtsikahan ako saglit din sa mga Pinoy na chef. Sobrang bait talaga nila dun. Lagi ko yan silang nakikita and na-recognize nila ako na parang lagi daw ako nandito. So, sabi ko, paminsan-minsan lang, pero parang ilang months na before bumalik ako dito. So, tinanong ko sila if may gusto ba silang like pasalubong when I get back here again. And then sabi nila kahit anong Pinoy food lang. So, let's see pagka naalala ko next time. Anyways, I'm heading back to the hotel. And sarado na yung mall. Ito yung mall nila. Like beach mall. Good morning, everyone. So, it's our second day. And it's already 8 a.m. And magbe-breakfast na ako. Wait, naglalag pa. So, I'm gonna go for breakfast. Hindi ko na kayo isasama kasi ganitong time, nag-arrive na yung mga bagong crew. And also, kakain lang naman ako. Tapos babalik ako dito sa room and then let's see what we will do later. So, it's our second day. And later kami ng hapon magde-depart going back to Doha. I've already ate my breakfast and it's already 10:20 a.m. in the morning. And I was about to, I suppose, to go for swimming, guys. But then I changed my mind. Ewan ko, nakapagpalit na ako ng damit kanina for swimming. But then, I changed my mind. Kasi parang naisip ko ang hassle talaga magpalit. And maligo na naman. Like, parang naligo na ako kanina. So, maliligo na naman ako for swimming. So, dapat wala hindi muna ako naligo. And then, ayun. So, I decided to just chill out na lang here sa may labas, sa may pool area. And I'm just gonna continue editing my vlog. And I think I'm just gonna stay here until 12. Like, since I still have, like, more than enough time to chill because 4 p.m. pa naman yung wake-up time namin. Hello guys. So it's already 5:15 and I only have 30 minutes left before bumaba ako sa lobby for checkout and mag-order lang ako ng room service but I requested it for like takeaway. Ayan, kumuha lang ako ng penne carbonara pasta and then I requested for a bread. So they gave it for free. And then, our Coke Zero. So, ayun. Order lang ako. And hindi nila sinamahan ng utensil or spoon and fork. Okay, ang gamit ko. Teaspoon. Well, makain ako ng konti. But, ubusin ko siya sa flight later. Kasi, I just want something in my tummy lang. So, that's it, guys. After this, I'm gonna go down and then going back to Doha for 4 hours flight. So that's about it for my Seychelles sudden layover. So nakapag-relax naman ako. Na-enjoy ko naman yung moment. Yung moment?
Na-enjoy ko naman yung layover. So, see you soon! Bye!